Best cream for men. Beauty of men are so much importance in our society. Color of skin play an important role in our personality. But due to men careless and working in sunlight of many time make your skin dull and dirty. In this video I explain a best cream for men. If they used any cream for few months, you can bright your skin color with any side effect. There are best 5 creams for men. 1. Grow and Handsome Max Fairness for Men. 1. This cream is a best cream for whitening of men's skin. If they use the cream for 2 months, you can see the clear difference of skin color before and after use. 2. Main purposes of cream are control of excess sweating, reduction of dullness of skin color and control of UV rays. 3. It also removes all spots and marks on face. 4. It plays an important role in instant brightness for skin glow and skin tone. 2. L'Oreal Men Expert Hydra Energetic Moisturizing Cream. It is a best anti-fatigue moisturizer cream. We can use the cream as a moisturizer. The best function of the cream is protect your skin against the elements that make your skin dull and rough, and also makes your skin darkness. After use the cream your skin become a light, growing, and brightness. This cream is best because it's free for allergic chemical, parabens and other harsh chemical. It also helped to combat appearance of dark circles, lose of tone and dryness of skin. It provided a natural strengthening and resistance of skin. 3. Pond's Men Oil Control Faces Cream. Pond's brands are the best brand for brightness and whitening of skin. Pond's Cream of Men are best cream for whitening of skin. The main function of the cream are the control of the oil on face. When it apply the skin, it absorb and hydrates the excess oil from the skin. It make the skin naturally white and bright within 1 month use. Some people's hormones produce a more sweating. In this way most man's skin are dull and rough. So if those peoples use the cream, you can see the clear difference before and after use. It also remove the spot and marks on skin. 4. Nivea Men Cream. Nivea is a best cream for skin whitening and brightening. The cream is a more light, non-greasy and soak in the skin within few seconds. When it apply the skin, it hydrate and prevent the skin for dry out. Nivea is one of the best cream for face, hand, and body whitening. Repair the dull and damaged skin is the main function of the cream. It give the soft and healthy texture.